A big message by Prime Minister Modi a day after his historic address to the nation. It's a surprise visit. He visited the Adampur Air Force Station to meet all those part of Operation Sindoor. In significant messaging, the Prime Minister landed at the Air Force Station at Jammu and Kashmir in Indian Air Force's Super Hercules. He interacted with the fighter pilots of the Indian Air Force involved in Operation Sindoor. He met the technical staff of the forces involved in the operation. He interacted with the soldiers of the army during the visit. What was most striking and significant was the presence of MiG-29 fighter and S-400 Sudarshan Chakra surface-to-air missile system in the Prime Minister's backdrop, sending across a clear message that the airbase was intact and fully operational. At the Indian Air Force Air Base, the Prime Minister posed with a very significant message in the backdrop that read, "Why enemy pilots don't sleep," well written above the picture of a MiG-29 symbolizing the might of a fighter aircraft.
हम सभी ने बीते दिनों में देश का सामर्थ्य और उसका संयम दोनों देखा है। मैं सबसे पहले भारत की पराक्रमी सेनाओं को, सशस्त्र बलों को, हमारी खुफिया एजेंसियों को, हमारे वैज्ञानिकों को, हर भारतवासी की तरफ से सैल्यूट करता हूं। भारत के सशक्त एयर डिफेंस सिस्टम ने उन्हें आसमान में ही नष्ट कर दिया। पाकिस्तान की तैयारी सीमा पर वार की थी, लेकिन भारत ने पाकिस्तान के सीने पर वार कर दिया। भारत के ड्रोन्स, भारत की मिसाइलों ने सटीकता के साथ हमला किया। पाकिस्तानी वायुसेना के उन एयरबेस को नुकसान पहुंचाया, जिस पर पाकिस्तान को बहुत घमंड था। भारत ने पहले 3 दिनों में ही पाकिस्तान को इतना तबाह कर दिया, जिसका उसे अंदाजा भी नहीं था।
Loud and clear from the Adampur base today, S-400 Sudarshan Chakra in the background that Pakistan claimed to have destroyed, and also MiG-29s that Pakistan claimed, also the base where the Prime Minister was, the Adampur base, Pakistan had made claims that it had demolished parts of it in their operation against India. Let's tell you about the significance of the Adampur Air Base. Indian Air Force's frontline base also helps in rapid deployment of jets. It's situated in close proximity to the Pakistan border and makes it extremely important and strategic. Key fighter jet hub. It houses MiG-29 fighters. It helps India mount quick counter-attack, and that's why this airbase is strategically just so important. Important messaging from the Prime Minister today. Piyush is with us for more details on that big story. Piyush, a surprise visit, but just so much like the Prime Minister, isn't it? Prime Minister Narendra Modi was known to encourage the forces. Not just the forces, but just what everyone in the country, finding inspiration from the leader himself. He chose the air base to meet the forces. Essentially, these were from the Indian Air Force, encourage them, speak to them, and congratulate them on Operation Sindoor.
Well, absolutely, Sneha. Like you rightly mentioned that, yes, Prime Minister is known for spending his time with the soldiers, and every Diwali he ensures that he celebrates his Diwali with soldiers. We have seen him going to Siachen and in various border areas spending his time with soldiers. And today, in a surprise move for which Prime Minister is known for, he went to Adampur Air Base, and this is the same air base, Sneha, to which Pakistan had claimed that it has not only hit but has also completely damaged. But Prime Minister's visit is certainly telling us that that no harm has been provided to Adampur Air Base. In fact, it is completely and fully operational, and the video has also come out where Prime Minister is meeting with our air warriors and pilots who also took part in Operation Sindoor. And this video, Sneha, somewhere completely bursts the lies of Pakistan and exposes Pakistan globally. Prime Minister decided to meet with Indian Air Force soldiers on the very next day after sending out a very strong message to Pakistan that we will teach you a lesson if you ever dare to cast an evil eye on our soil. Remember that at 3:30 p.m. Today, in few minutes from now, Prime Minister is also going to speak. His speech, which was delivered there at Adampur Air Base, is going to be broadcasted at 3:30 p.m. and then only we will be able to know more about the details. But yes, this air base is strategically very, very important. It is very much close to western borders, and if there is any misadventure by Pakistan, then we can obviously use this air base to hit back and penetrate in Pakistan.
That's right.